Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain ONEHAVEN Life app to save with what using. The ONEHAVEN Life app is a free mobile application developed by One Building Co. designed to enhance the living experience in smart, design-focused apartments available on both iOS and Android platform. The app offers a range of features aimed to providing a resident with a seamless and a personalized living environment. Users can book and manage apartment stays, access a digital keys for entry, receive notification for parcel deliveries, and view their current bills together with the contract. Additionally, the app facilitates communication with neighbors, building staff, and provide access to a digital event calendar showcasing activities within the building and the activities. The ONEHAVEN Life app offers a comprehensive suite of tools for residents seeking a modern and a connected living experience. The integration with the smart building technologies emphasize on personalization with valuable resources for living in ONEHAVEN managed properties. However, its utility is primarily beneficial to current or a prospective residents for those properties. So if you are looking for an app to manage your living arrangement in a ONEHAVEN apartment, this app is worth exploring, and that's it.